keeping it quiet. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking is fluent. All of my business booming. Stacking my cash in abundance. All of my family funded. Finally got what I wanted. Life is amazing, I love it. Everyone know that I run it. Yeah, look at me now, I came up. I've been thinking back then when I almost gave up on the game, cause I never got in my way. Never got my mama whip.
Probably helps if you press unlock. Tell you what, this seat wasn't made for someone over 80 kilos. Whew. Shit tight. Nice. Here we are, Joshua's S2000, Mugen Hardtop, AP2 tails, C28s, AP2 front lights, bar, lip. So it's in for a paint correction. It's just been fully resprayed probably 6 months ago, and he wants to get it ceramic coated. So paint correct it, ceramic coat it. We've got a Voltex wing in there, we've got a coat as well. The rear diffuser, we're doing it all. Give the engine bay a bit of a clean for him as well. Password JDM intake. Pretty clean, but we'll give it a tidy up for him. See if we can get this a bit better. We'll be releasing this product soon. Just doing a bit more testing, but it's safe on all labels, safe on all plastics, metals. Basically a multi-purpose spray that you can use on everything. Soon to be released. What is it?
Best mag wheel cleaner in the business.
Ooh, big statement.
Tested and proven in Australia, in our conditions, our weather. Safe for all coatings, all wheels.
And these were heavily stained from a track day.
Yeah.
It's already eating them away.
Yeah. And we're just saving this customer probably $5 on a wheel brush, because you don't need that. Not at the moment.
It's already gone. Mate.
What track day, Mum?
Look at that. It's about 95% clean. A little bit more, but after a second spray, that will get the remainder off. And it's time to snow foam. Sorry, mate, I didn't see you there.
Wow.
I didn't see you there. Alright, Rob's doing a bit of correction around the car. There's some marring and some holograms from when they've sliced the back to get rid of any orange peel and stuff. I'm in the engine bay tidying things up. I've got to attend to this. Can't really see it on it, so a bit black, a bit of soot on it. So tidy that up. There's some polish splatter in here. There you go. So obviously they've sliced back this guard and it's flicked into the engine bay and it's pretty much all over. So I've got to attend to that. Once the paint is perfect, we'll start coating. Here I'm just showing sanding marks. Very dull. You'll see an after shot in a second. And now when you look at it, it's clear as. I think there's a bit of overspray on this wing.
Don't be silly, Philip.
Look at it.
Hold it closer. That's it. Now we go to corrected. Perfect. Back to what it looked like.
Alright, so for this car we're doing two-stage correction. So a coarse pad and a coarser polish for some places where there's still sanding marks and a bit of orange peel and some scuff marks and stuff like that. And then for the most majority of it, we're just doing a single stage with a finer pad, finer polish, just to refine the paint. There's still some buffing trails to remove and things like that. Engine bay's done, hardtop's ready to coat. The new Voltex spoiler is ready to coat, that's been buffed. So does the rest of the car now. What's better? This coffee or your slides?
Coffee, because the new slides are inside.
Shout out to Osborne Australia for the good stuff. Just a little quick detailer's tip. You dig your bottle empty, cut it open, and you will find a lot more polish in there than you thought. Could almost do a whole car with that. Alright, and that's it for today. It's been a 12-hour day. It is now 5:24. We had a 5 o'clock start. Did a few jobs in the morning before Josh's S2000. Spent most of the day on here and it's looking flawless now. It's all been corrected. All the buffing trails are gone. Holograms and swirls. Even though it was about 6 months old paint job, it had a fair bit of work that it needed. But doesn't matter because it looks flawless now. We'll be here again tomorrow morning first thing, preparing it for the ceramic coating. So all our ceramic coating packages include headlights, tail lights, all the door jambs. We'll be doing his rear diffuser, exhaust tip, all the glass. That's just all standard in the base package of our ceramic coating. We're just doing the single coat 9H, more than adequate for what he needs. And it will really pay off after his next track day. He'll see how easy it is just to clean up, and all the tar and tyre rubber and everything will just come off with a breeze. Shout out to Cars for Hope. So, that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll be back in a few hours, or for you guys in like 3 seconds. My hair was never red. Quick morning clean before we get back to the S2000.
Yeah, still haven't got a new wheel brush.
Still haven't got a new wheel brush. Look at the view. It's a bit foggy at the moment, but why is it blue? Nice. Woo! Yeah, good that looks, mate. Suits ya.
Thanks, mate. You bottle with the vibrator?
Told you, these seats weren't made for us sort of people.
Too many spaghetti meatballs.
Wow, look at that. What a McFinish. Crazy. Awesome. Right, ready to coat.
Like we're sharing and twins, so just close your eyes and then count to 3, cause you can count on me. Yeah. It's all good. Like we don't have to push anything. I mean, we can just chill. And I'm not even talking Netflix and chill. Like, we could illegally download movies and stuff, you know? As an option too. Every time I see you, get a feeling like I'm so high. Tell me, am I dreaming? How the hell you looking so fly? I just got a meaning when I looked at you today. I got problems, baby, and I need you to save me. Yup. Hold up, wait a minute, I can feel it, this is so right. Baby, if we kick it out, the future could be so bright. We can make a killing, so you shouldn't walk away. I got problems, baby, and I need you to save me. I need you to save me. I need you to save me. Cause all I want is you. Nobody else will do. I know I'll be an eye. Let's make it me and you. I'm feeling so brand new. I hope you feel it too. I know I'll be an eye. Let's make it me and you. Let's make it me and you. Let's make.
Just some information about our process of ceramic coating and paint correction. So just a little tip, when we do ceramic coat cars and paint correct, we always use brand new cloths, so crisp and fresh out of the packet. We don't use cloths that have been washed. Those cloths there we normally use for interior, windows, or cleaning wheels and stuff like that. So we do reuse them for those purposes, engine bays and whatnot. But whenever it comes to like wiping a car down, paint correction and whatnot, it's always a brand new cloth and then it goes straight in the wash. With the coating, we always coat everything external, so you know, even down to these rubbers. A lot of people think you cannot coat these rubbers because they're porous and whatnot, but we do coat them because at the end of the day, there's no use protecting the paint and you know, stopping that from fading and whatnot, but not, you know, everything else that's outside, including like hard plastics and, you know, stuff like that. So everything gets coated.
Comfortable with being comfortable. I'm trying to do the unthinkable. I'd rather die than be stuck in the cubicle. I'd rather spend my whole life in the studio. Practice my swing, I've been working on hits. Trying to do shows and sold out events. All of these rappers be claiming they next. The way they be moving, I'm never convinced. Look at the odds, I came to get even. Gave them a chance, they gave me a reason. Open their eyes, they all see the vision. 2019 and it's almighty season. Been on the edge, I might jump on my skin. I cannot act like I'm one of your friends. Put on a smile, sit back and pretend like all your music is 10 out of 10. Ain't like me then, what you think of me now? I see their faces when I come around. I used to dream about being the king, but now I want more than a throne and a crown. No one showed me how to make it here. Rappers coming, then they disappear. I'm trying to stick around every year. No more falling on deaf ears. Join the success or just watch me succeed. Been on my job and you been on Indeed. I know some people that say that they got me, but I know deep down that they want me to bleed. Never been into the fairy tales. I told myself that I wouldn't fail. I gotta clean up my basement. Their bodies of rappers are leaving an awful smell. I want a taste of that luxury. I make that bread for my family. Working on building a company. Making those moves so they fuck. They think they know what is best for me. Back then they wouldn't invest in me. Now they done put all their trust in me. See that I'm cooking, don't step in the kitchen and fuck up the recipe. Seem like these people impressed with me. I'm about to blow up eventually. Funny how making this music just felt like.
And that is it for the S2000. Thanks for watching. If you stuck it out this long, comment, like, and subscribe. Stay tuned because we have a few surprises coming up, a few big announcements, and some exciting things for the future of Moulds as detailing. Thanks, guys.